Hi sewing friends! My name is Alice Murray and welcome to my channel Murrmade Designs, where every single solitary day we talk about sewing, and we do it to inspire us to sew more. Inspire me, inspire you. Works pretty good. This week we are doing men's shirts refashions. It's all the rage, so I thought I'd give her a go. This is day 3 of 6. Let me show you what I did, and then we'll talk about it. So, this refashion was inspired by NewLook 6678. I made this top a while back that has the square neckline and the puff sleeves. And so I thought I would like to try that with a men's shirt refashion. So what I did in this refashion is I picked off the chest pocket first off, and then I cut off the sleeves, and then I cut the cuffs off the sleeves, and then using the this pattern piece, I just figured out how to make the wanted to make the hemline slightly, it's just slightly curved, almost straight, but slightly curved. And cut that off. Cut the top off like below where the yoke is. I tried it on and fitted it and decided where it would be a good spot to chop it off. And chopped it off and decided the best way to finish this, which is the same way it's finished in here, though I didn't use the pattern pieces out of here, is a facing. So I cut a facing for the front and the back from the bit that I had chopped off the bottom, and interfaced the facing and sewed it on. And then I needed something to go from the back to the front for the shoulder part. So what I did is I used the cuffs. They're already faced. I figured they were a good width, and I sewed them on. Again, I had to get my husband to help me because you kind of have to put it on and then have someone pin it so that you have it lined up where you want it. And then the sleeves, I just kind of trimmed the cut bit off so that the top of the sleeves was kind of fresh. I gathered them a bit, as much as I could for as much sleeve as there was, put them on, folded them over, and put elastic in the bottom. I think that the way that the cuff is kind of stiff, kind of holds out the gather a bit, so I think that looks good. Then I put fisheye darts. Oh, I actually put bust darts in before I put the sleeves in, and back darts. I don't think I got the fit quite right. I also took in the sides. It still feels kind of not fitting quite right. Yeah, I'll give you another twirl. So I think it turned out really well. I think that this light pink is not my color. So I tried to jazz it up by wearing kind of a bright necklace and a bright skirt. And this is actually a skirt that I refashioned from a pair of pants that I made that the pants didn't turn out, so I changed it into a skirt. So I will add that video at the end. And yeah, So I thought, you know, this is definitely a very, you know, feminine look. And yeah, I think it turned out okay. Other than, I think, I don't know, maybe I need more darts or something. In my grateful thread today, I'm just going to give you another twirl so you can see. I got a new pair of pink shoes. Have a little look at them. Aren't they cute? They are a nice dark pink. Something that I have felt for a while is I have one pair of shoes that I have worn over and over and over again in my videos. If you go back and look at my videos, you will notice that. One good pair of shoes. And I thought I really would like more shoes, but I'm not going shopping, nor do I want to spend $200 on a pair of shoes that I am mostly going to wear in videos. And my daughter told me about this site called Poshmark. I don't know if you're aware of it. Maybe I'm the last one in the world to know about it, but it is a secondhand online place where people sell stuff secondhand. And it worked awesome. I got these lovely pink shoes for like $10, and I got some other shoes, and I'm pretty excited about it. So that is my grateful thread today. So thank you so much for joining me. I hope this has inspired you to maybe do a men's shirt refashion yourself. And I hope that you are sewing, because sewing is so much fun.